This is the camera that changes photography. And this is the phone that changes mobile. Introducing Galaxy S20 Ultra.
Network, KGSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Colors, Cosmic Gray and Cosmic Black. USB 3.2, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector, and USB on the go. Display, dynamic AMOLED 2x capacitive touchscreen, and 16 million colors. Size, 6.9 inches, 114.0 centimeter, 89.9% screen to body ratio. Body dimensions, 166.9 into 76 into 8.8 millimeter, and weight, 222 grams, 7.83 ounces.
And when it comes to zoom, Space Zoom will take you places no mobile has been before.
Android 10.0, One UI 2, and chipset, Exynos 990, 7 nanometer plus, global. CPU, octa-core, 2 into 2.73 GHz Mongoose, GPU, Mali G77MP11. Sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and barometer. Battery, non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh, and charging, fast charging 45 watt.
For low light, we've nearly tripled the sensor size to pull in way more light.
Single SIM or hybrid dual SIM, Nano-SIM, dual standby. Sound, loudspeaker, with stereo speakers, but no 3.5mm jack. Video, 4320 pixel at 24 frame per second, 2160 pixel at 30 or 60 frame per second, 1080 pixel at 30 or 60 or 240 frame per second, 720 pixel at 960 frame per second.
Today, our AI pro-grade camera system changes how you capture photos and videos. And we've built 3 game-changing 5G phones around it that change mobile.